本節目係由 Sun Concepts Limited、Cambridge Audio、偉達公司、方龍音響贊助播出。
MSB 啊，咁 MSB 咧就 R2R 最靚，我咁夠膽講最靚，唔夠膽講最靚都夠膽講最貴啦嘅leather deck 嚟。咁同埋同一時間咧，佢哋有佢哋嘅擴音機啦。咁成套 MSB 系統咧就推動 Magical 嘅大喇叭。係一個大嘅 pedal 做設計。咁樣嘅喇叭，原來咧佢哋係賣單元啊，嗰個單元咧就唔係嗰啲咩撈打啊 ，full range 嘅全音域單元嚟嘅。啱啱入咗間房，其實俾入邊嘅鋼琴演奏吸引住嘅，但係入邊咧嗰個鋼琴咧就係電子琴嚟嘅，真正嘅琴聲就係由一個好勁嘅康，人咁高嘅康啊，再加個高音康，康中康。嚟到去播嘅解碼咧就係 Rogner 嘅解碼嚟嘅，之前都試過 Rogner 解碼，都係 R2R leather deck 嗰啲品牌嚟嘅。你睇睇。拍就唔係拍到好多嘢，聽就反而聽咗一陣。M40.2 好聽，因為間房咧就主要係 Magnum。但係 Dynalab 同埋哈伯虎嘅，但係擴音機係我睇唔出啦。你有冇朋友知咧？留言話翻俾我聽。
我哋有 Wolfday， 我哋有 Mission。
咁 IAG 嘅房間裏面有 Wolfday、Lustman， 非常之合情合理。咁當然亦都會有 Mission 啦。咁之前我哋都講過，就係 Mission 咧最新嘅旗艦系列 ZX 咧全線已經喺度展示啦。不過就展示係冇開到聲嘅，所以咧就仲未有得聽住。不過咧呢個系列個價錢都係非常之平㗎，旗艦嗰啲好似都係講緊6-7千蚊到嘅港紙喎。好啦，你個房間有個新產品，就係 G2 系列4合1 4大天王最後一員咧現真身啦，就係佢嘅 Up Sampler。場咧你會見到咧，佢係可以將所有嘅聲音咧 up 上去到 DSD 512。咁我好相信有個人你買3件，咁冇理由唔買第4件㗎。EAR 啊 ，Tim Tavarici 好有音樂感，好優美嘅靚聲。不過香港就好似少啲人玩，其實應該多啲人知。仲有啊，佢哋出咗個唱盤啊 ，EAR 出唱盤啊，今年都係多唱盤㗎啦。PSI Audio has a new home use loudspeakers, right?
Yes, as you know, we come from the professional market, yep. So we do Audio Pro and we do monitors like these ones that we've been selling to the professional audio for the last 40 years or over 40 years. And now people have asked us for the quality of sound we have in professional audio, but in some kind of casing that is acceptable in a living room. So we came up with this product. We worked with a designer to come up with this. And it's based on the 3-way system, 3 amplifiers in it, active of course, phase compensation like all of our products, all handmade, 100% analog, made in Switzerland, handmade tweeter, we magnify our magnets and everything with this model here that's called the Heritage 3, and it's a heritage from the professional audio into the hi-fi segment.
It's a DAC and a universal interface with Ethernet input, so you can stream from Roon or UPnP and USB input, room equalization to get rid of room modes, creative EQ, a tone control so to speak. We have a crosstalk cancellation algorithm. We have a constant volume control, so for nighttime listening where you don't want to have huge dynamic ranges, you can reduce the dynamic range. And we have a vinyl simulation thing, so you get the impression you're listening to a record, despite it's a digital file. Right now we're working on headphone specific algorithms, because nowadays the music production is made for speakers, basically. But most of the people listen to music by headphones. There should be some productions for headphones, or what we try is to adapt those speaker productions, so to speak, to headphones by adding like crosstalk and having special equalization, adding reverb, doing a spread in the width, and so various algorithms we're looking at. Those algorithms we will also put into the DAC 502, 501, because it's also a headphone amplifier, basically.
Everybody loves the sound of a train in the distance. Everybody thinks it's true.
好啦，咁啱啱咧就同兩個瑞士嘅音響專家啦，一個 PSI Audio， 一個咧就係 Wise 嘅話事人啊，咁啊傾咗一陣，咁就希望大家都滿意，就佢哋嘅新產品同埋佢哋嘅新概念啦。咁另外咧就頭先亦都行咗入去 Alexity 嘅房間度，不過 Alexity 咧就Alex 又唔喺度。其實 Alexity 係咩咧？係Vitas 嘅仔創立品牌嚟嘅。講未完，隔離就係 Vitas 啊。
And if you want another kind of love.
SIA 030 actually. It's been the product that's been the most difficult for us to develop. It's actually taken about 2.5 years because making a product which is on a higher level than the SIA 025 at a price which is not going all crazy was extremely difficult, and we actually needed to spend a lot of time figuring out how to put all the technology into the chassis of the size. And you can maybe see here, but it's not a small amplifier. It's quite big, and it's 63 kilos in total. But compared to the actual technology going into it, it's extremely compact, like the SIO 25. So it's doing 30 watt Class A, 8 ohm RMS. It's doing 200 watt Class AB, 8 ohm RMS. It will have has 2 RCA inputs, 3 XLR inputs. There will be an optional DAC and also a phono stage, and you can have both at the same time. So yeah, well, there's a lot of new technology in this. This is a new level for us.
咁啊嚟到呢個丹麥 Raiho Acoustic， 咁 Raiho Acoustic 咧其實不嬲都即係香港你都見到隻好靚嘅鑽石喇叭啦，咁但係最貴嗰隻咧其實香港係未出現過嘅，係啦，冇錯就擺咗一對落去嘅，咁但都係冇現場開聲嘅，都係 silent display 嘅啫。咁啊近距離睇睇呢一對旗艦喇叭嘅真身啦。芬蘭 Jenny 嚟嘅示範房啦，咁其實 Jenny 嚟咧近年其實有個新系列叫做 The One 平面啦，又得一個好似同軸嘅單元嘅 panel， 上下兩側入邊係內藏咗兩個上下嘅運動場低音嘅，咁所以成個聲音嘅演繹咧就盡量做到係即係單點發聲，咁好似同軸喇叭咁樣做，同埋個上位失真係會減少咗嘅。得個 AudioNet， 咁啊 AudioNet 咧其實就喺過去嗰一年咧就有啲即係市場嘅消息就係話佢出現啲困難啊咁樣，咁今次嘅展覽咧其實就即係話俾大家知 AudioNet 係繼續喺呢個音響市場裏面嘅，咁當然仲有佢哋嗰隻用咗好多錢投資嘅超級無敵 All-in-One Streamer AM 啊 Click Clack 嗰啲嗰件咁嘅超級無敵嘅產品啦。我想講真係超恐怖啊！我只不過去咗4個 hall 裏面其中一個嘅一層啫，咁當然嗰度好多房嘅，應該都差唔多成幾十間房啦。咁我已經盡快咧就每間房係咁意講下㗎啦。咁真係要係咁意啊！如果真係講晒嘅話咧，唔單止條片啊長過呢個中國之戰啊，我自己啊都唔夠電，唔夠 memory， 總之就好大鑊啦。咁而家我就加快個速度啦。如果唔係嘅話，真係唔得掂啊！哇！知個房嗰度咧，中間嗰嚿嘢咧，其實我唔知係咩嚟嘅，應該一係就 bass trap 啦，一係就係發放一啲負離子啊咁嗰啲啊。就咁睇樣，你知唔知係咩嚟啊？我完全冇 idea。
Okay.
Asim Audio 係加拿大比較有代表性嘅 high-end 品牌嚟㗎，主要做擴音機，咁所以今次亦都係擴音機啦，有啲數碼產品嘅。咁擴音機推咩咧？推一個 Dyna Audio 嘅坐地喇叭，太輕鬆啦。Triangle 嘅喇叭 ，Musical Fidelity 嘅擴音機、數碼機，咁大家都知道 Musical Fidelity 就亦都主啦，咁而家其實都係繼續生產嘅，中意嘅朋友可以放心，繼續好多新產品展示啦。不過我想講嘅就係呢間房個地氈係好厚咯，踩落去咧腍腍啤啤嘅啫，絕對係吸晒啲高音嘅。即係講咗咁多咧，嗰啲咁嘅大喇叭啊、康啊嗰啲咧，即係香港其實即係冇咩人玩㗎啦。香港最多人玩咧嘅康咧，即係大喇叭嘴嗰啲咧，喇叭花咯 ，Everguardian 咯。AudioPress 咧今年都有新產品啦，咁啊主要喺喇叭線嗰度 ，Grey 係屬於 high end 㗎，貴嘅 bass 版嘅線材同埋 Zero 版嘅線材啦，咁裏邊都有Thunderbird 啦，有 Dragon 啦咁樣嗰啲。啲喇叭線咧就係 for 咩？就俾啲敗歪用嘅，佢 design 俾一條就係行 bass 用，一條行中高用，咁啊兩條敗歪行就會靚聲過以前嗰啲好多。入到嚟貴豐街第一件事睇 label 啦，直接咧就睇個 CD 機，因為咧嗰個 CD 機咧就係今屆展覽裏面咧其中一個重點嚟嘅。咁呢個樣咧就非常之特別啦，因為成個三個餅咁樣嘅。咁另外咧就係 Top Loading 啦，又係我最中意嘅 Top Loading。點解 Top Loading 啲 CD 咁鬼貴嘅咧？因為呢部嘢咧講緊大約嘅約價未定實㗎，係3皮歐元啊！咁同埋咧佢係 CD player only 啊，唔係 SACD 同 CD player 嚟嘅。咁亦都有 digital in 可以當獨立嘅解碼用。不過呢個都唔重要，聲其實唔需要擔心佢靚定唔靚，主要係買得佢咧，真係要欣賞下佢嘅外形設計啊！即係你咁打開個 cover 攞支碟出嚟咧，都好爽歪歪嘅。咁至於其他新產品咧，就當然仲有貴豐啱舊年先推出嘅 Sena 嘅前級啦，其實亦都係一個中價都幾抵用嘅一個analog 嘅純前級嚟嘅。呢抽嘢係咪好熟悉嘅？冚唪唥都所重面啊！即係無論係 Denon 啦、Marantz 啦、Pork 啦、Definitive Technology 啦，甚至乎 Casio 都好咧，都係好所重面嘅一啲主題嘅試音地方，入邊係 Home Theatre 試音嚟㗎。啱啱就嚟散啦，我哋可以第一時間出去睇睇先。Pork 嘅最新系列啦 ，Signature 系列啦嘅喇叭，咁跟住後邊嗰餐咧就係 Definitive Technology 天龍嘅 AVM、Marantz 嘅 AVM， 哇所重面啊！但係我中意呢邊，你睇下呢啲又有分層式，又有戲院凳，咁啊似一間戲院咯。天空咧就都係用 DT 嘅喇叭做天空聲道 Rear High 嗱，嗰條可能太黑暗啊睇唔到。嗰度咧就做分 High Top Center， 咁啊呢度有3隻，下邊嗰層 Side Surround Surround Back 呢度咧全部用在地喇叭做嘅，咁所以咧呢一度一睇個樣咧就知道呢個係一個 All 3D 嘅 configuration 嚟嘅。Q Acoustic 最重要嘅產品當然就係啱啱上市冇耐嘅 Concept 300，夾個 M 咧就係用 Cambridge Audio 嘅 HNQ 同埋 HW， 咁都係嗰種即係灰灰地色嘅，咁啊個襯出嚟都幾靚啊！聲就因為佢哋差唔多收工啦，所以我聽唔到。入得嚟Martin Logan間房係聽呢度。Martin Logan 嗰個旗艦喇叭咧，其實喺屯門有得聽啊，咁但係一路都係冇機會聽到嘅，咁所以今日有機會啦，就可以現場聽一聽。個 sound stage 係好大、好深嘅，同埋啲能量好勁嘅，好犀利啊真係。啊用咩推咧？係啦，擴音機都好緊要嘅，用 Pass Lab 推。觀塘房間咧就唔係嗰啲好大型嗰啲機，同埋大部分都係3 display。開聲嗰度咧反而係一度比較輕巧啲嘅系統啦。咁另外70周年啦，我哋見到70周年 T 恤，香港好似未有得買係嘛？入到去全個湖水藍圍住晒你。好啦，咁啊嚟到呢個CAF 啦，咁啊 CAF 咧其實不嬲都係喺呢個慕尼黑音響展裏面咧一個大戶嚟嘅。咁啊，今次呢個展館裏邊咧，就我哋會見到有呢個 New Reference 嘅最大嗰個 R11嘅。咁另外咧就係個擴音機啦。咁啊喺歐洲咧，其實 CAF 咧主要都係同呢個蝦餃咧夾㗎。咁啊蝦餃嘅 M 推出嚟嘅同 CAF 夾咧都夾得幾好聽喎，幾好聲喎，唔係講笑啊！如果有興趣揾 M 嗰啲可以諗諗啊。嗰啲凳啊真係搞笑，因為嗰啲凳咧設計到
要一個比較纖瘦嘅人先坐到咯，同埋係好斜嘅，好似 Matrix 咁斜嘅。另外仲有爭啲唔記得 LSX 咧有專用腳架喺現場我哋見到啊，襯翻唔同顏色咁樣。如果想為呢隻喇叭配對腳嘅朋友，遲啲可能香港應該會有。好啦，今日嚟到呢個Acoustic Art 嘅房間啦，咁啊德國主場噶嘛，咁隔離就係伊力啦，咁伊力都係德國啦，咁亦都係主場啦，咁啊有好多不同嘅產品嘅，例如好似 Streamer 啊、貴價嘅周年版唱片啦、黑膠唱片啦，咁另外有個平嘅唱片俾大家揀嘅。咁喇叭方面亦都會有呢個有源喇叭啦，咁呢個有源喇叭咧就係唔係去到高音架，係用嘅銅軸㗎。咁跟住咧就係主菜啦，就係 Wurlitzer 系列嘅全新系列嘅喇叭啦，咁啊新設計更加容易入屋啦。冇咁 bulky 啊，冇咁重型啊，咁呢個改良我覺得係一個非常之好嘅改良嚟。好啦，咁跟住咧由德國咧帶大家去到芬蘭啦，咁啊芬蘭嘅 Amphion 啦，咁早排咧我都同佢哋嘅廠方嘅老闆啊做個訪問同埋試緊佢喇叭。Amphion 嘅喇叭非常之簡單，專業嘅 Studio Monitor 為主，但係入民用嘅產品亦都好多選擇，分別咧就有 Helium 同埋 Argon 呢兩個系列。咁呢兩個系列咧，亦都係一個好 Studio Monitor， 一個咧就係 Hi-Fi 微重啲啊，悉隨尊便啦。咁現場咧就展示翻佢哋各款嘅產品啦，佢哋唔係成日出新產品嘅品牌嚟嘅，咁所以都係 show 下俾大家睇最新嘅系列啦。咁亦都有啲小改款嘅，咁遲啲我喺 review 會同大家講噶啦。好啦，咁另外同一間房間咧，我哋就會見到呢個德國 BMC 啊。咁 BMC 咧就展示除咗係擴音機之外，仲有個喇叭。我喺其他展覽都見過啦。咁係一個雙向發聲嘅，後面你仲會見到有個2路嘅發聲嘅一個單元啊。咁同一時間咧，因為呢個擴音呢個喇叭都幾難推，所以咧佢哋要用翻佢哋原裝嘅擴音機去推啊。咁就唔可以用其他 M 夾㗎。好啦，咁啊啱啱頭先同大家睇完呢個西電啦，咁西電啊梗係精神不滅啦，咁啊嚟到 Nagra 更加之經典啊，咁啊佢哋咧現場喺度播咩？播大機啊，咁大家都知道 Nagra 嘅大機咧其實係非常非常之經典嘅，咁佢哋現場都展示咗幾部經典巨著喎，咁例如好似 Nagra 4S 啊咁嗰啲，哇你見到仲有，咁唔阻大家啦，大家可以欣賞下呢部機嘅美態啊，我覺得好靚。好啦，咁跟住咧就會嚟到咧見到梯度嘅房間，咁入嚟梯度第一件事係見到 Wimber 咁其實 Wimber 同梯度咧都係呢個姊妹品牌啦，咁啊梯度已經係 ultra high end 噶啦，咁 Wimber 咧就係 high end 嘅，價錢其實都唔平，但係咧就好多朋友都買得起啊，咁有興趣可以留意下。好啦，咁啊嚟到呢個Audio Physics 嘅房間啦，睇到啦喇叭環切面啊，睇到喇叭結構啊。咁另外當然仲有 Lindorf 啦，咁 Lindorf 咧係數碼 M 中嘅先驅嚟嘅，咁佢哋嘅數碼 M 推呢個喇叭非常之好聲啊，推自己喇叭又得，推呢個 Audio Physics 喇叭亦都得。我諗入到嚟加拿大 Rarity Audio 嘅房間，先就見到呢個 TW Acoustic 嘅唱盤，咁跟住咧就係 Rarity 自己嘅擴音機推翻自己嘅喇叭。嗱 Rarity 咧其實對於我嚟講都有啲情意結㗎，我都好中意佢嘅聲，不過咧太貴買唔起咁解啫。咁另外見到 Rarity 嘅喇叭有個新嘅設計啦，同以前鋼琴為主嘅設計唔同，呢個咧 Lifestyle 時尚啲，咁但係啲單元全部都依然係用緊最靚嘅料㗎。JBL by Harman。Magnificent by Harman，Raffle by Harman，Lexicon by Harman， 咁 Harman 咧就 by Samsung， 咁但係咧你見翻啲 traditional 嘅嘢，雖然佢係 retro 再 retro，retro 再 retro， 舊嘢再翻新，但係好老實講，真係你見翻啲舊嘅嘢咧，你即使佢係即係無限 loop 咧，你依然覺得係幾順眼嘅。咁如果你覺得淨係得個樣順眼都唔係啦，行埋入去聽 L100都係非常之啱 feel 好聽，你話死唔死啊？Constellation 咧都係今年都係推翻 Magical 嘅大喇叭啦，咁啊完全都係冇問題嘅，輕鬆舒服靚聲。嚟到呢個 Anthem Paradigm 嘅房間 ，Persona 7F 啊，即係之前我試過嗰個全黑色嘅 Persona。
低調啲啦。用咩 M 推咧嚇？咁 demanding 放心，佢 Paradigm 自己有擴音機噶嘛，用翻 Paradigm 嘅 monocore 推完全冇問題。同埋播 MJ 真係揸得好狠啊！呢個唔需要多介紹啦，呢個係音響界一個巨人嚟嘅。咁亦都係由 Sasa DAW 呢個新嘅喇叭喺入邊演繹啦。有啲咩擴音機推咧 ？Spectral 啦 ，Spectral 好啱推。同一時間就有 DCS 做 source 嘅，呢個 combo 都幾靚嘅喎，即係應該係幾合理嘅一個 combo 嚟喎。嚟到展覽咧，其實會有好多好熟悉嘅品牌，特別啲香港品牌咧都會嚟參加呢個慕尼黑音響展嘅。嘥啦，咁啊嘥有啲咩產品咧？S60A 啊，格尼牛啊，電線啊，Mega X 嘅拖板啊，全部都有歐插嘅版本啦。咁當然亦都有即係美式同埋英式啦。咁大家可以留意下，都係留意翻美式同埋英式啦。呢個箭咧，我哋中文名叫太極啦，其實係一個非常之高性價比嘅箭嚟嘅。嗱，好多朋友咧已經試過㗎啦，咁我都試過㗎啦，不過未出片咁解嘅啫。釘箭我就識玩，但係呢個名我唔係好識讀，咁我揾一個識讀嘅介紹啦。
呢個係 UN Annoy， 我哋公司個牌子嚟。
冇錯 ，Annoy， 唔好咁講，係啦。咁Tai Chi Base 就有型號，冇錯。
有 Mini Tai Chi 嘅，另外有一個細啲嘅 version，咁啊上一個又有啦，下一個又有。Thank you。謝謝。
好啦，咁啊，終於咧搞掂第一日啦，咁啊，哇，已經超晒時啊！各位即係唔好意思，因為真係實在太多啦。咁啊，6集咧已經做咗第2集啦，咁之後咧就會係 Day 2同埋 Day 3。我希望咧之後嗰啲片唔使20分鐘咁長啦。咁啊，多謝大家支持啊，多謝大家中意睇就俾個 like 同埋訂閱我頻道，撳埋個鐘仔啦。之後嘅片咧就會翻香港展噶啦，咁啊舒服啲啦，冇咁辛苦啦。好，下次再見，拜拜。